In this demonstration you will learn to add the AngularJS file to the HTML page. First, let us create a basic HTML page with HTML head and body tags. Next, we need to add the AngularJS file to this HTML page. As this is a JavaScript file, we can add like any other external JavaScript file. We can download this file from AngularJS website to our computer to make it available, or we can link it to any content delivery network CDN, like Google. In this case, let us link to Google CDN for our Angular file link. We can see the added link to angularmin.js here. Then, we need to inform the Angular which section of the HTML will be controlled by AngularJS by the ng-app directive. It is possible to add the ng-app directive directly to the root HTML element itself or to any of the elements present in an HTML page. Here, we are adding it to the body element. Then let us add two paragraph elements to our page. The first paragraph element has an input text box. It also has an ng model directive. The ng model directive creates a model variable named name that can be used with the HTML page and within a do having the ng-app directive. In the second p element, we add an ng-bind directive. The ng-bind then uses the name model to be displayed in the HTML span tag whenever the user enters input in the text box. Now, let us open this app in a browser. When the user enters a name, the user is greeted with the name instantly. If you remove the AngularJS link, then we find that the app is not working. Since the page is no more an Angular app. Similarly, if we remove the ng-app directive, the app will not work. Now you have learned how to add the AngularJS file to the HTML page. Click the close button to end the demonstration.